Welcome to our tutorial on how to fix the BitLocker recovery screen on Windows. If you've ever been stuck on a blue screen asking for a recovery key, you're in the right place. First, what is BitLocker? It's a data encryption feature built into Windows that protects your files from unauthorized access. Think of it as a lock on your hard drive. So, why does the recovery screen appear? It usually happens when your computer detects a sudden hardware change, a BIOS settings update, or an unexpected system shutdown. This is a security measure to ensure your data remains safe. Now, let's find your recovery key. On another device, open a web browser and go to your Microsoft account's device page. Log in, and you should see a list of your devices with their corresponding BitLocker recovery keys. The key is a unique 48-digit password. What if you can't find the key? If your computer is part of a school or organization, your system administrator may have the key. If it's a personal device and the key is lost, the only remaining option is to reinstall the Windows operating system. Please be aware that this will erase all data on the drive. To enter the key, simply type the 48-digit password into the recovery screen and press Enter. If you're still having issues, you can select Skip this drive to access Windows recovery environment for more troubleshooting options. We hope this guide helps you get back into your Windows system. Remember to back up your recovery key in a safe place to avoid this issue in the future.